Barbara.
okay.
It's not okay. You cannot defend him. Okay.
Call the cops.
Do you see what he just did?
Harry, stop!
No, Barbara.
Harry,
No,
stop!
Barbara, I'm tired of you.
attacked
No,
you.
I'm tired of you
He
now.
should not be
No,
attacking you.
absolutely not. Do you?
You know what, Harry?
I know. I get it.
We are not going to find them up.
Harry, stop!
We are not going to fucking
Come
talk.
down.
I came in here and I told you sit back. I told you we are not here to argue with you. Why did you fucking attack her? Why did you attack her?
Can you come down?
I'm not
No!
gonna come down because you started this.
Come here, let me go.
You're gonna go to the other room and you're not gonna come out.
Barbara, what about
I'll
that one?
fuck you up. I'm telling you. I'll
Barbara,
fuck
that
you up.
folder.
It's not. That's the divorce document.
Get up and go to your fucking room.
No,
I don't know what the fuck is wrong
Barbara,
with you.
move.
Keep acting up, I'll fuck you up. No, try me.
All right.
Try me.
Okay.
Try me. All right. Try me.
No, sorry. Why? It was unnecessary.
Don't give him the chance to bring these things.
Don't do that, Barbara. What if you keep here by yourself?
You spoil yourself, all right? But isn't this the same sister that you fucked up?
What did I fuck up about my sister?
No, yeah.
What did I fuck up about my sister?
Perry, what did I tell you? Let him go in the room.
Perry, leave
Perry.
him alone. Perry, leave him alone.
He should go. You don't need this, right?
Okay. All right. But you are the same person who supported me at the wedding, right?
I will fuck you at the wedding because you were fake. You were fake.
That's the water.
You were lying.
Perry.
You were fake. You and everybody that follows you. You were fake. I
That's
supported you because I thought you were different.
So now you
I
are
thought you
here.
are not like your
To support
family.
your sister.
Yes, I'm here to support
The
my
same
sister.
sister
And I'll
who
always
the
support her.
pastor told you that she was a witch.
Which pastor?
Am I
Name
right?
the pastor. Name that pastor. Which pastor told me my sister's
The same sisters.
Which pastor? Name the pastor. You are a pastor. You.
Whoa.
You don't know whether you are confirmed or not. You are a pastor, my friend. Get the fuck out of here before I fuck you up. We didn't come here for you. We did not come here for you. Don't let me hurt you. Leave. We didn't come here for you. We came to get something.
Can I promise you something?
Promise me.
If I don't kill your sister, then me, I am fake.
You got the video, right?
Yeah, I got
I
it.
call the cops.
No, it's not.
No, call the cops. Jen, no.
Barbara,
Fanya.
stop that.
Fanya, you don't play with threats like this. Jen, I'm calling the cops. No, you don't play with threats. Please call the cops.
Only gonna escalate.
It should escalate. He's threatening you in front of me. He said he's going to kill you. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for?
All right, just make sure it's there so we can go. If that's it, let's go.
Yeah.
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Next year is. Let's get out of here. We ain't coming here no more, Barbara. You lost all.
You heard what he said?
Is there anything else you need to get? Barbara, we're done.
Whatever you want to get.
Yeah, we're done. You lost all this.
No, I'm gonna come back for it.
You gonna come back for what? No, it's okay. It's okay, Barbara. It's another debt that can be paid off. Debt is debt. You cannot replace debt with life, and vice versa. It's gone. This ain't yours no more. Imagine if you come here by yourself.
Even with us over here, he still attacked you. Fabian, don't play with these things.
Why is this a
You
joke to
may not
you?
want to have him arrested, but you have to
I
make
don't
a
want
police.
to.
You have to have a police report for future sake. The police need to make a report.
No, I'm gonna use
Because
this so you can get a restraining order.
Yeah.
You-
And then- Can you come look for my glasses, Fabian? Look for my glasses so I can make sure it's not coming in. It fell over there when he scuffled.
Watch your car. Make sure it's not there.
Écoutez mon histoire. Pourquoi moi je me confie en Jésus? Le motif est ma foi. Brigand que je t'ai condamné à la mort. Même le monde savait que je te sens valeur. Oui, moi je t'ai perdu. Il a pris ma plein saut. Je vivais dans le noir. Dans ma prison, Jésus est venu. Il m'a tendu sa main pleine d'amour. De sa douce voix, il m'a parlé. Écoutez mon histoire. Pourquoi j'ai donné ma vie à Jésus? La raison de ma foi. Il a pris ma place, il a porté ma croix. Il a effacé toute ma vie d'autrefois. Oui, moi, je suis à lui à jamais. Ah, moi, Barabbas, je t'ai condamné. Il a pris ma place, oh. Yeah, il a pris ma place. Ah, moi, Barabbas, je t'ai condamné. Il a pris ma place. C'est chargé de mes péchés. Oh, oh, oh. Oui, sur tes croix, c'est beau m'était destiné. La condamnation, le châtiment était pour moi. Oui, c'était croire, c'est beau m'était destiné. été condamné. L'injuste a accepté d'être puni à la place des pécheurs. Par son sacrifice, nous sommes sauvés. Son nom est Jésus de Nazareth. Alléluia. Il a pris ma place. Oh, il a pris ma place. Oh, il a pris ma il a pris ma place.